Hi, Miss Polly here, and Archimedes. He's really interested in this. This is marble run number 2. We did an earlier video about a marble run that had a circular path that I wanted you to kind of play around with. This one is so much easier, and let me just demonstrate it real fast. I think it's going to work. So just a marble. Isn't that fun? All right, so on a marble run, what you're going to play around with is the slope. That's the steepness or the gradual tilt of our platform, slope. This one's kind of medium. Let's see what happens if I make it more steep. It goes a little bit faster. Let's make it even steeper. Well, I like that. Let's make it gradual. Oh, it has room to fall off. That's kind of interesting. So let me adjust the spacing of these and see if I can much slower. So let me show you how I made this. You can get just a piece of cardboard and cut it about the size of a ruler. And just plain clothespins. And so I played around with how close should they be, how far apart, what angle should I have them here or in. And then that has to do with what size ball would be able to go through there. This one's bigger than the little marbles I used on the other. I think if the space is too big, the marble has a chance to fall off our pathway. But that's the kind of thing that you can play around with on your marble run. So this one's really easy and fast to put together. Let's do one more here. All right, here he goes. All right, go make a marble run. Play around with the slope. Make it steep or make it gradual. And see about the spacing of your clothespins. It's pretty fun, isn't it? Yeah? We like that one. All right. Bye.